The Explore Data tool helps you uncover valuable insights about your data. There are two approaches for exploring data: guided or manual. We're going to start with manual. Remember that you can toggle between guided and manual explore at any time. This is the Table Builder. Along the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu of options with status dots on their icons. When you begin the insight building process, these dots will be red, indicating that a selection needs to be made for those options. Once you've made selections for each option, the Explore tool will generate a table and the status dot will turn green. If something is missing, the tips in the table area will show for each option that either more information is required, no variables are available, or that there are more options to choose from. Your table will be constructed as you complete each tab. Make sure to add options for each drop-down menu within Topic, Quantity, Time, Location, and Dataset. You'll notice that many fields are pre-filled due to the selections you have made in this tab or in previously edited tabs. You can edit your table directly by naming it, sorting rows or columns, including variables in the table view, adding calculations, adding a new table via New Query, and more. You'll always be able to take a look at your table's schema by clicking Source. Once your Insight table is ready, click Next to proceed.